Now, there are some problems left in that particular exercise. We are going to finish that. First solved example we have, it is given that consider the numbers 4 raised to power n where n is a natural number. Check whether there is any other value of n for which 4 raised to power n ends with the digit 0. So, we are supposed to find that this n, where we can find that after multiplying 4 that many times we should get 0. Now, for that condition is any positive integer ending with the digit 0 is divisible by 5, and so its prime factorization must contain the prime number 5. That means we'll take out prime factors of 4 raised to power n. This will be what? 2 into 2 raised to power n. You can write 2 raised to power 2n. Here, prime factors is 2. So, by uniqueness of fundamental theorem of arithmetic, 5 does not occur in the prime factorization of 4 raised to power n for any n. Therefore, 4 raised to power n does not end with the digit 0 for any natural number. Same way, in exercise we are having question number 5. Exercise 1.2, we are finding question number 5. The number is check whether 6 raised to power n can end with the digit 0 or any n belongs to natural number. Same, if we'll find the same thing, if the number 6 raised to power n ends with digit 0, same as we have done in the 4 raised to power n, then it is divisible by 5. Therefore, prime factorization of 6 raised to power n contains 5. Here we'll see now 6 raised to power n. 2 into 3 raised to power n. Here prime factors are 2 and 3. So there is no 5 in this. Again, by uniqueness of fundamental theorem of arithmetic. 5 does not occur in the prime factors of 6 raised to power n. Therefore, so there is no value of n in natural numbers for which 6 raised to power n ends with digit 0. These are 2 examples. Now we are going to do the remaining problems of exercise 1.2. We'll see question number 4. What is question number 4? Same. HCF of 306 and 657 given as 9. You are supposed to find LCM of 306, 657. We have that formula. LCM of 306, 57 into HCF of 306, 657 is equal to 306 into 567. So what we want? LCM of 306, 657 is equal to 306 into 657 upon HCF of 306, 657. This is 306, 657. What is HCF? 9. We'll divide. 9 3s are 27, 9 4s are 36. 657, that comes to 22338. The next question. Question number 6. Explain why 7 into 11 plus 13 and 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 plus 5 are composite numbers. What is composite numbers? Where you have 2 or more prime numbers. So we can find, I'm going to solve this method by 2 methods. First, I am teaching one method, then we'll go for another method. See, you can find 13 common here. 7 into 11 plus 1. After going, this 13 will go 1. 13, 77 plus 1. 13 into 78. So, it is the product of numbers 13 and 78. Therefore, 7 into 11 into 13 plus 13 is composite numbers. We'll see the same with different method also. We can do with different method also. See the different method. Second method. This is also very easy. See, you'll multiply this 100, 1001 plus 13. This comes to 1014. We'll take out factors of 1014. This comes to 2 into 3 into 13 into 13. You can say this is product of more than 2 prime numbers. Therefore, it is a composite number. Same, we'll take second example and we'll solve with 2 methods, both the methods. 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 plus 5. You have 5 here common, here 5 common. So 7 into 6 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 plus 1. That is 5. We'll multiply these all numbers. This comes to 1008. This is plus 1. 5 into 1009. Same product of, it is product of two numbers. Therefore, it is composite number. Second method we'll take. Same. 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 plus 5. We'll multiply this. 5040 plus 5. This comes to 5045. We'll take out the factors. 1009. Same method. It is a product of two numbers. Last problem we'll take. Question number 7. There is a circular path around a sports field. Sonia takes 18 minutes to drive one round of the field while Ravi takes 12 minutes for the same. Suppose they both start at the same point and at the same time and go in the same direction. After how many minutes they'll meet again at the starting point? This we are supposed to solve now. So what you are going to get? They are going to meet. Question number 7. I'm not writing the question. You can see from the book. Sonia and Ravi will be again at the starting point so least common multiples of 18 and 12. We'll find out LCM. We'll factors of 18, 2 into 3 into 3 and 12, 2 into 2 into 3. First we'll find out HCF because we'll need HCF for LCM also. So HCF is here 2, 3, that is 6, and LCM will take 6 and the remaining is 3 into 2. That is 36. So Sonia and Ravi will meet at the starting point after 36 minutes. Here we have taken HCF and LCM also, but directly also you can take out LCM of 18 and 12. I'll tell you how to do that. 18, 2 into 3 into 3 and 12, 2 into 2 into 3. Directly you can take LCM 2, 3, 3 into 2, 36. Means here I have taken HCF to show you that for that common number, and then I have taken that LCM, but you can directly take 2 to 1, here 1 2, here 1 2, here 1 3, 1 3, remaining 3 and 2, that is 36. The same. So Sonia and Ravi will meet at the starting point after 36 minutes. With this, our 1.2 exercise is over.